So I've just prompted Replit to connect my blog post within our app here. I have this like works section. And in this case, I also have these words section that are kind of like my thoughts and perspective. We're going to have it connect to Notion, where I've been writing a few documents and testing things out. And it's going to pull in data for Replit and seamlessly sync it together. Now we need to connect it to a full app so that it can connect to Notion and build out the front end and the back. Pretty easy. I clicked on the convert to app. I'm going to say, yes, please make it an app. And this will just take a few minutes. By upgrading it, it's really converting it to be a full stack app, which basically means it's going to build both the front visual experience that we've already done, and then it's going to build out all the background. So connect it to databases if it needs to, build the back end. In this case, we'll need something like that because we're going to pull in the data from Notion to fetch these blog posts dynamically. But you can see the importance of this. We'll securely connect using the Notion API. We won't have to worry about that because Replit will handle all of that connection for us. It's going to ask us to connect to Notion. I'm going to say yes. I'm going to give it the ability to select these pages. So depending on where you work, Replit has a ton of different integrations. And while that's working in the background, I'll just show some of these different integrations. So obviously I can click on this plus sign. I can search for the tool integrations, and it has all of these integrations automatically built into Replit. So if I'm writing in all these different places, I could have actually pulled in documents from all these different places and then connected to my app on a Replit. Super easy. I don't have to do any of the technical work. I can simply chat with the agent, ask for it to build these things, and it will just do it on my behalf, which is pretty insane. So it is connected to my test blog post. And you can see here that it pulled this data. We'll go back to my Replit page. And in this case, what this does is links to my Notion documents. I'll go into Notion and I'll just put in some fake writings here. And then what I think we'll be able to do is hit refresh. Oh, okay, perfect. So you can see I added some additional context. I can still click on this. It'll pull my blog post and push it to Notion.